Have you ever wondered why a product claimed to have helped thousands of people recover from kidney disease is now banned by the FDA? According to recent data from the National Kidney Foundation, more than 37 million Americans suffer from chronic kidney disease. Yet, solutions like this one are facing unexpected obstacles. In this video, we will delve into the life-changing benefits of certain kidney health solutions, explore real success stories, and uncover the truth behind some of the controversies surrounding these remedies. The kidneys are vital organs responsible for filtering waste and toxins from the bloodstream, maintaining electrolyte balance, and regulating blood pressure. Chronic kidney disease, CKD, is a progressive condition that compromises these essential functions, leading to severe health complications. Despite the growing prevalence of CKD, many patients remain unaware of alternative approaches to improve their kidney health. Let me share a true story about one of my viewers. When they received their blood test results showing a creatinine level of 2.57 mg/dl, they felt hopeless. Their doctor warned that their kidney function had significantly declined and that without lifestyle changes, they would face serious complications. Determined to improve their health, this individual began researching tirelessly. After countless nights of reading, they discovered the Pure Nutrition channel and adopted several changes, including following a low animal protein diet, reducing salt intake, incorporating turmeric, a powerful anti-inflammatory food, using a special kidney support supplement, which was later banned by the FDA for not being fully approved. Just 3 months later, a follow-up checkup revealed astonishing results. Their creatinine level had dropped to 1.31 mg/dl. This incredible improvement gave them newfound hope and motivation to continue their journey toward better health. The FDA's decision to ban certain supplements has sparked significant debate. One such product is red yeast rice, a traditional remedy known for its cholesterol-lowering properties. The active compound in red yeast rice, monocolin K, has been proven to reduce LDL cholesterol, making it especially beneficial for individuals with metabolic syndrome or cardiovascular risks. Despite these benefits, the FDA has restricted red yeast rice supplements in the U.S., classifying products containing monocolin K as unapproved drugs. Critics argue that this decision prioritizes pharmaceutical interests over public health, as monocolin K has been patented as a pharmaceutical compound. Meanwhile, in countries like Italy, red yeast rice remains available as a natural supplement, reflecting differences in regulatory approaches. Coffee and acrylamide. Dr. Mike, a popular YouTuber, has raised concerns about acrylamide, a chemical found in coffee, French fries, and other roasted or fried foods, claiming it poses a potential cancer risk. However, studies indicate that the acrylamide content in coffee is minimal, around 0.45 micrograms per serving, and does not constitute a significant health threat. Context is essential when evaluating such claims, as acrylamide levels in food are far lower than those in cigarette smoke. Fiber and Health. Dr. Robert Kills has controversially promoted a fiber-free diet, claiming it offers health benefits. However, extensive research underscores the importance of dietary fiber in reducing the risk of heart disease, supporting digestion, and improving overall health. For example, a meta-analysis involving over 98,000 participants found that for every 10 grams of fiber consumed daily, the risk of death decreased by 10%. Turmeric and black pepper. Another health expert, Dr. Saladino, has argued against the consumption of turmeric and black pepper. Contrary to his claims, these foods are backed by solid evidence for their health benefits. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, possesses powerful anti-inflammatory properties, while black pepper enhances nutrient absorption and supports metabolism. Innovative approaches to CKD management have shown promising results, offering alternatives to dialysis. One such method involves a 3-step protocol that combines dietary modifications, detoxification, and the use of specialized supplements. Detoxification with AS120. AS120 a specialized version of activated charcoal, has been designed for CKD patients. Unlike traditional activated charcoal, AS120 selectively absorbs toxins like ammonia, uric acid, and creatinine without depleting essential nutrients. While it is not available in the US or Europe, this product has gained traction in countries like Japan. Sodium bicarbonate for acidosis. Managing blood acid levels is crucial for CKD patients. Sodium bicarbonate supplementation helps maintain a healthy blood pH, preventing the buildup of acid that can accelerate kidney damage. Regular testing and appropriate dosage adjustments are essential for effective treatment. Phosphorus control. High phosphorus levels can lead to cardiovascular and bone complications. Calcium carbonate is commonly used as a phosphorus binder, helping maintain levels below 4.6 mg/dl. This measure reduces phosphorus buildup and associated risks. A low-protein diet plays a pivotal role in protecting kidney function by reducing the production of urea and other waste products. Recommended intake ranges from 0.6 to 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. Emphasis should also be placed on consuming plant-based foods, polyunsaturated fats, and carbohydrates to provide energy without overloading the kidneys. The role of fiber. Psyllium husk, a soluble fiber derived from the Plantago ovata plant, has been shown to significantly lower creatinine levels in CKD patients. Studies reveal that participants consuming 23 grams of fiber daily experienced notable improvements in kidney function within just 4 weeks. Lactulose as a prebiotic. Lactulose, a prebiotic, offers additional benefits by improving gut health and reducing blood creatinine levels. In a study of stage 4 and 5 CKD patients, lactulose supplementation led to a decrease in creatinine levels and enhanced overall kidney health. Kidney health is a journey that requires informed decision-making and proactive management. By exploring natural remedies, dietary changes, and detoxification strategies, individuals with CKD can improve their quality of life and potentially delay or avoid dialysis. However, it is essential to consult with healthcare professionals and rely on credible scientific evidence when making health decisions. If you found this article helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from this information. Stay informed, and remember to prioritize your health every step of the way.